Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable Hey Google on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is open the Google app. So let's open all apps and let's open Google. Now tap on your avatar in the top right corner and then choose settings. In the settings you want to go to Google Assistant and then over here choose Hey Google and voice match. Now over here you can enable and disable the Hey Google feature. So let's enable this one. And now we need to configure the Hey Google. We will need to say several sentences in order to make Google Assistant recognize us. So let's scroll down, choose I agree. One more time. And now you will see some sentences that you need to repeat or say to your phone. You will find at least 4 sentences, I think. So go through these steps in order to record yourself pretty much. And after that, you will see this information that Hey Google is ready. So let's go next. If the circle doesn't disappear, then you can simply go back and the Hey Google feature should be enabled. Of course, if you want to, then you can delete your voice match model or retrain your voice match model. So let's give it a try. Hey Google. There we go. As you can see, it works. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!